This brand is made in the USA by Innovative Hearth Products and they are backed by a very good warranty, but the fireplaces are only available through a very limited dealer network. The Citadel model is an open hearth fireplace and has classic masonry fireplace styling, while the Craftsman model has a more modern look and feel to it. They both offer optional outside combustion air kits to save energy as well as optional fan kits to distribute the heat, but their guarantee is not as good as the other models. The Montecito Estate model is a high-efficiency fireplace with traditional styling and a variable speed blower. It has an 80,000 BTU heating capacity with a 70% burn efficiency and can accept logs up to 30 inches in length. The Bainbridge model has more modern styling with a 55,000 BTU heating capacity, a 72% burn efficiency, and it accepts logs up to 19 inches in length. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.